Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to talk about something that can really make a difference if you're over 50 and looking to earn extra income without the physical strain of a traditional job. We're diving into the gig economy. Specifically, I'm going to show you how you can make money driving for Uber or Lyft, walking dogs with Rover, or delivering with services like DoorDash or Instacart. Whether you're thinking about retiring early or just want to make life a bit easier financially, these flexible opportunities can help you work at your own pace and supplement your income. Let's get started and explore the best gig economy jobs for those of us over 50. First up, let's talk about driving for Uber or Lyft. This is one of the most popular gig economy jobs, and for good reason. It offers flexibility, decent pay, and allows you to work on your own schedule. One of the biggest advantages of driving for Uber or Lyft is that you're in control of your time. If you have a reliable car and enjoy meeting people, this can be a great option. Plus, you don't need any special skills or education to get started. Once you sign up, the app allows you to choose when you want to drive. You can pick up passengers during peak hours, like mornings and evenings, or whenever it fits into your schedule. You also have the option to drive full-time or just a few hours a week, whatever works best for you. A few things to keep in mind: the income can vary depending on where you live, the time of day you drive, and how many trips you complete. On average, drivers can make around $15.25 per hour, but tips can boost your earnings. Now, if you love animals, why not turn that passion into income by walking dogs with Rover? It's a great way to make money, especially if you prefer a less tech-heavy, more active job. Rover connects dog owners with trusted walkers and sitters. As a walker, you'll get paid to spend time outdoors with adorable dogs. What could be better? You can set your own schedule, choose which dogs you want to walk, and get paid directly through the app. The average dog walker on Rover can make between $15–30 per walk, depending on the area. The more dogs you walk, the more you can earn. You can also offer other services like pet sitting or dog boarding to increase your income. It's a great option if you're looking for a side hustle that keeps you active and outdoors, without the physical demands of more labor-intensive jobs. Next up, let's talk about delivery services like DoorDash, Instacart, and Uber Eats. These apps allow you to make money delivering food, groceries, or other items directly to people's homes. Just like with Uber and Lyft, these services offer you the flexibility to work whenever you want. Whether it's delivering takeout during lunch or running grocery orders on the weekends, you can choose what works best for your schedule. One of the perks of working with these services is that you don't need to interact with clients too much. Many deliveries are contactless, meaning you just drop off the order at the customer's doorstep. Delivery drivers typically earn between $10–25 per hour, depending on tips and how many deliveries you complete. The great thing is that you don't need to rely on one platform. You can work for multiple services at the same time to maximize your income. So why are these gig economy jobs perfect for those of us over 50? It's all about flexibility. You get to choose when and how much you work. Whether you want to supplement your income, plan for early retirement, or simply avoid the physical strain of full-time jobs, gig work offers a low-stress solution. These jobs let you work at your own pace, whether it's driving, walking dogs, or delivering food. You're in control, which means you can balance work with spending time with family, hobbies, or even travel. Getting started is easy. For Uber or Lyft, all you need is a car, a clean driving record, and a smartphone. Rover requires you to create a profile and undergo a background check, and for delivery services like DoorDash or Instacart, you'll need a car or even a bicycle, depending on your area. Once you're signed up, you can start accepting gigs and earning money almost immediately. Remember, the key to success is being consistent, reliable, and staying active on the platforms. The more you work, the more opportunities you'll find. So, if you're looking for a way to make extra income after 50, gig economy jobs like driving for Uber or Lyft, walking dogs with Rover, or delivering with DoorDash and Instacart are fantastic options. They offer flexibility, the opportunity to work at your own pace, and you don't need any special skills to get started. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss any future tips on earning money after 50. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these jobs or if you have any questions. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.